How to turn off your flashlight on an iPhone. Well, are you wondering how you can turn off or turn on your flashlight? Well, the process is simple. Now, if you're on the lock screen, you can do it simply from your lock screen. So you can see here at the bottom left corner of your lock screen, you'll find the flashlight icon. You want to tap on it and hold it. So you can see here, tap and hold and release, and it'll be turned on. Now, to turn it off again, you can do similarly from your lock screen, tap and hold on it and release it before your lock screen gets off, obviously, so that it can turn off. So you can turn off and turn it on this way, right? You can also, if you use Siri, you can ask Siri to enable it. So if I say, hey Siri, turn on flashlight, so you can see it is turned on. Similarly, if I say, hey Siri, turn off the flashlight,
it's off now.
So this is how you can enable or disable easily flashlight on iPhone. Hope this video helped you. To like and subscribe.